Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a bold wing liner makeup look with a spring inspired twist at the lower lash line using all kinds of different eye colors, which gives this a really flirty and fun vibe for spring or summer. Whenever you want to wear it, you can basically wear it for any occasion that you want to wear it for. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first gonna prime the eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm using a P84 brush from Sigma to apply that. Now this is gonna be the palette I'm gonna play with today, which is the Fade Into Who by Colourpop. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right, but like always, I'm gonna put all the names in the description bar. So the first shade I'm going in with is called Treasure, and I'm gonna blend this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, like all the way in my crease area to kind of warm it up. I didn't want it to apply too much eyeshadow on the eyelids or on the crease because I wanted the focus to be kind of on the wing liner and on the lower lash line, but also I didn't want it to keep my whole eyelid just empty with no product. So I just decided to warm it up. You could also use a little bit of bronzer. You don't necessarily need like an orange eyeshadow. And then I decided to go in with this matte shade, which is actually from a different palette, but I wanted to use a little bit of this light shade, which is from the Jacqueline and Morphe No. 2 palette. What you could also do is use a little bit of a white shade or a light pearly color. I just wanted to use a light color. Then now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is my favorite drugstore gel eyeliner. And I'm going to use this to create my wing liner. As you can see, I have quite minimal product on the eyelid. Like I said earlier, for this eye look, I wanted the focus to be on the lower lash line, but I still wanted something going on the eyelids as well. So this way the eye look is kind of soft, but still, because of the bold wing liner and the colorful lower lash line, it's still gonna look not really soft, if that makes sense. So when I create my wing liner, I like to start with a line above the lash line first. Then I drag a line from the outer portion of the eyelid towards kind of like the center, like in between the outer part of the eyelid and the eyebrow. And then I try to connect the wing line. What am I saying? I try to connect that outer portion of that line towards the line above the lash line. It's kind of hard for me to explain because my birth language is not English, but hopefully by seeing me doing it, it kind of makes sense. So now it's time for the lower lash line. I'm going back in with that Colourpop palette. First I used a yellow shade. Then next to it, I'm gonna go in with this pink color, and I'm gonna do this with all the shades, kind of like blend those next to each other. So it's not really that hard, but you just want to make sure that with every shade you kind of want to blend it into that shade next to it, so the transition kind of fades into each other. So if you need a little bit more product, you can always go in with more and more. So after this, I went in with a lash curler because I always do this before applying mascara. It just lifts up the lashes a little bit more. And I'm going to go in with this mascara, which is by Gucci, and I'm going to use this for my lashes. I'm going in with fake lashes, so I'm not really focused on my upper lashes too much because the lashes are going to cover them up anyway. But for my lower lashes, I really like this mascara. It makes them really long, but not really clumpy. It really separates the lashes really nicely. So I'm gonna go in with these Annytude Dainty lashes, which are from my own lash company, which I have linked down in the description bar. These are quite dramatic actually. Some more natural lashes would be really nice as well, but since I don't have a lot going on the eyelid, I thought let me just go for a little bit more dramatic lashes, and I think it actually looks really good with the eye look. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and let me know if you are gonna recreate this look. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I always try to repost them in my Instagram stories, so I would love to see your recreations. And yeah, one more time, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!